She won't bite me, right? Don't bite. Don't bite. Don't bite! She bites. Wellness center, here we go. Oh my God, I can't see. It's wet. This light is really bright on my face. The floor is wet. Everything is just a wet. Hello!
Welcome to Wellness Center. We're so happy you're here.
Is it dry in here?
The doctor will see you now, right? This way.
Is she okay?
Follow any rules.
She's tweaking.
When you don't follow rules.
She won't bite me, right? Don't bite. Don't bite. Don't bite! She bites. Oh, I almost hit a wall. Oh my God. I'm soaked. I can't see. People are yelling at me. It's a rap song. Oh my God. Hello, hello.
Welcome to therapy.
Hi, doctor.
Remember that your feelings no longer matter.
I like that. You know what?
And the voice in your head, listen to it, but it's more important to just do what it says. There you go.
The world needs some of that. No, I believe you. If you said there's something there, there's something there. There is something there. Ah! Ah! Comanche. Oh, heck no. It's the drippy Ivy drips. I'm not drippy Drake. Ew. Ah!
I got crazy. I got crazy.
Is this yours?
I got crazy.
Are these your IVs? Oh, gross. Are they used? Used IVs. Okay. Gross. Okay? Enough with the drippy Drake.
I'm not crazy.
I believe you. I'm not crazy either. There is like, bro.
My head.
What's going on with him? I believe him. He's not crazy. Ah, heck no. It's the insane asylum walk. Not the insane asylum walk. And I can't see because I'm blinding myself. Nope. I saw a leg over there. Nope. Definitely not going that way. Nope. Nope. Ah, one of the Tiger Woods.
Hey, mate. You ready to get it before I throw you in?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh my God. They're everywhere. They're like spiders.
For your head trip?
Come here. I want your soul. Yeah. You got a lot more than that. You want some pee too?
You were saying you could do doctor.
Thank you. She got some diapers? Oh!
Come on in.
Whoa!
Oh, you're just in time for the demonstration.
What freakiness is that? The snap, crackle, and pop! Is he okay?
Those tears of joy.
Run!
Would you like to be next?
I'm good. Run!
Shocker. Get me out of here.
Oh!
Stop it here. Don't you want to stay forever with us?
Should we listen to her?
I said, don't you want to stay forever?
That's a threat! I don't like threats! Oh my God, not the morgue! It's my grandmother in here! Abuelita, please don't come out! Okay, good. We're out of the morgue. No, I hate morgues. Woo! Dropped a couple octaves on that one. Hey, buddy! What's that in your hands? Oh, he's real, for real, for real! Oh. Ah, last minute motherfucking scare. Last minute scare. Oh! Last minute scare part 2. He got me twice. Good job. Yo, that house is good. Top 10, one of my favorite houses here. Forget what you heard. The wellness center. It's the toilet. I love you guys.